Excel has over 400 formulas in its functions library, ranging from simple mathematical functions to complex statistical, logical, and engineering functions. The question is, how can you learn all these functions and formulas in Microsoft Excel? Let me show you. When you open your Microsoft Excel, head over to the Formulas tab. Under that, you see a section called Functions Library. Click on Insert Functions. The Insert Function dialog box pops up. In this section, you can type a brief description of the formula you're looking for, but let's ignore that and select a category of function. Here is a list of all the category of function in Microsoft Excel. I can simply click on Lookup and Reference functions. Under the Lookup and Reference functions, we have a bunch of formulas and functions under that section. Let's click on XLOOKUP, for example, and this gives you a brief description of the XLOOKUP functions. It shows you all the compulsory argument, both the optional and compulsory argument, and gives you a brief introduction to the function. But what I always do is to click on this help on this function. When I do that, it takes you to the Microsoft support, the documentation for the function, which is a great resource to learn about each formulas and function in Excel. Let's do that. So on the Microsoft documentation for each function, you will find a good and comprehensive definition for the function, a good description for each argument in the function, both the required argument and the optional argument, and a couple of examples on how to apply each function or the function in particular. But the downside of this is that you won't learn how to combine two or more functions from different categories to solve complex problems in Microsoft Excel, which is how people will know if you are truly an expert in Microsoft Excel or not. So this is a good resource to start learning Microsoft Excel formulas and functions. Found it useful? Give it a like button, save this video right now and follow for more.